How do you lower the cyanuric acid level in swimming pools? CYA is cyanuric acid or stabilizer or water conditioner. There's a lot of different names it goes by, but it's the sunscreen for chlorine. It's the stuff that prevents the sun from burning off all of your chlorine every day. And the optimal range that you want is 30 to 50 parts per million. Now, the problem here is that if you used stabilized chlorine in your pool, like a chlorine puck commonly, and what does stabilized mean? It means it has cyanuric acid in it. So every time you add one of those chlorine pucks to your pool, you're increasing the cyanuric acid level. Again, I said that 30 to 50 parts per million, that's your optimum range. And depending on who you're asking, some people will say it's okay to have more than that, 80, 100, 120, 150 parts per million. And they would have to go on to tell you that it's okay to have that so long as you increase your free chlorine count in ratio along with that. A minimum of 5% of the CYA value is what your free chlorine count needs to be. But that's a pretty high chlorine level for a residential swimming pool. And most people aren't comfortable or don't realize that they need to increase the free chlorine along with the CYA level. So the solution to this is to actually maintain the optimal CYA level, which is 30 to 50 parts per million, and then cease using stabilized chlorine products, because that's where you're getting the problem from. You keep introducing more stabilizer into the water, and we've reached the problem here where we need to get rid of some, and that's why you're watching this video. Here's the problem. It's really hard to get rid of. So there's three main ways that you can do this. One, you can hire a reverse osmosis mobile treatment truck to come to your house, and they will treat your swimming pool water. And that's one of the best things you can do to refresh or rejuvenate swimming pool water, especially in areas with water conservation or water limitations where you can't just drain and refill your pool any old time you feel like it. That's kind of like your only option. It's pretty expensive, but it definitely works. The next available option, and maybe one that you've been presented with, there's this enzyme or this product that you can add to your water, and it's a CYA reducer or eliminator or remover product. And I've used them, and I find largely they don't work. And so that's, I think most professionals have found that largely they don't work. And especially if you have really high CYA levels, this is just not going to cut it. That brings you to the real solution, the number one way that you reduce on cyanuric acid in swimming pools, and that's by partially draining and refilling with fresh water. And again, if you live in an area with limitations with draining and refilling swimming pools, like this is a huge volume of water that you're using up, then you shouldn't be doing that. You really can't be doing that. And that's why you should be exploring stabilized or unstabilized forms of chlorine for your swimming pool, because if you keep adding the stabilizer, you're probably going to have to drain and refill, and failing that, you're going to be looking towards these not very effective enzyme treatment products, or perhaps, having a mobile treatment truck coming out and treating your pool at significant expense, something that you could eliminate entirely by proactively changing the source of chlorine that you use for your pool. It doesn't need to be complicated. Salt chlorine system, that's one option that you could use, because salt chlorine systems do not generate cyanuric acid. So you would just set yours at 30 to 50, and it'll stay at 30 to 50, save for leak, splash out, and pump out water. Same thing with liquid chlorine, like good old liquid chlorine. It's one of the easiest ways to take care of your pool. You buy a couple jugs of it, you keep it in your pool shed a couple of times a week, you pour some into the pool, usually pouring it slowly in front of a deep end return. It's really not that hard to do, and that doesn't have any cyanuric acid in it as well. So if you're using that method, you set your cyanuric acid at 30 to 50 parts per million. That's all you need to do. You add your liquid chlorine, and that's it. The pool's taken care of, and you never have to worry about draining and refilling or hiring a mobile treatment truck to come and treat your water because your CYA levels are too high. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.